Hello and welcome to another Mr. Carter Science Special. In this video we're going to be looking at cancer and the factors that affect the probabilities of somebody being affected by cancer, and we'll also briefly look at the treatments of cancer. So cancer occurs when cells grow abnormally. The cells undergo uncontrolled mitosis and form a tumour. This means that the cells are going through mitosis, and instead of stopping carrying out their normal function, they re-enter mitosis straight away. So a cell will divide and then divide again and divide again, forming a mass of cells dividing uncontrollably, which we call a tumour. So some tumours are caused by communicable diseases, like crown gall is a tumour in plants caused by the agrobacterium bacteria. And cervical cancer in women is caused by the HPV, human papilloma virus. So these are two examples of a cancer which can be caused by a pathogen, and therefore they are communicable diseases and can be spread. However, most cancers are non-communicable and cannot be spread from person to person. So as we've already said, a cancer occurs when cells grow abnormally. Uncontrolled mitosis occurs and a tumour is formed, a tumour like this. There are two types of tumour. The tumours you can see in front of you here are known as benign tumours. And a benign tumour is a growth of abnormal cells in one area of the body. Often benign tumours are contained within a membrane, like you can see here, and they do not spread to other parts of the body. But they can grow very quickly and they can grow very large, and a benign tumour can become life-threatening if they cause pressure or damage to other organs or the blood vessels that supply the organs. For example, a benign brain tumour can damage the brain and cause death and kill the person who has that tumour. Malignant tumours are the other type of tumours, and a malignant tumour is often referred to as cancer. The malignant tumour cells can spread around the body if the original tumour splits up and releases a clump of cells. These cells may lodge in another organ and form a secondary tumour, because don't forget the cells are undergoing uncontrolled mitosis. So malignant cancer cells divide more rapidly and live longer than a normal body cell. And growing malignant tumours will often disrupt normal tissue if left untreated, and they will often kill the person. Malignant tumours are very difficult to treat, especially compared to a benign tumour. Here we have an example of various different moles on a person's skin, each one of which are known as melanomas, and they are the beginnings of a malignant tumour. So if you ever have an irregular mole, it's something you should always get checked out. So what are the causes of cancer? Well, the causes of many cancers remain unknown. However, some cancers are caused by genetic risk factors, for example, breast cancer and ovarian cancers. Mutations in the DNA, often caused by chemicals such as tar in cigarette smoke, asbestos in old buildings. These are carcinogens and they can lead to the formation of tumours. Ionizing radiation, such as UV ultraviolet light radiation and X-rays, can also damage the DNA inside a cell, causing mutations and tumours. For example, a melanoma, which is a skin cancer, is the result of uncontrolled growth of skin cells. Viral infections also cause 15% of human cancers. For example, cervical cancer, as we've already mentioned, caused by the HPV virus. Although there is now a vaccine against this virus, which should reduce the number of individuals infected and having cervical cancer. So if you do have cancer, what are the most likely treatments? Well, cancers are difficult to treat because the cells can spread throughout the body, and treatments are becoming increasingly successful, and survival rates are improving all the time. This person here is undergoing something called radiotherapy, where targeted doses of radiation are used to stop mitosis and destroy the tumour cells. However, radiotherapy can also damage healthy cells. Another alternative treatment is chemotherapy, where chemicals are used to stop mitosis and destroy tumour cells by making them self-destruct. So you would be hooked up to an IV containing those chemicals. There are different types of chemicals used, which is why scientists and doctors will try and match the particular chemicals to the particular cancers that the patient may have. I hope you've enjoyed this short introduction to cancers and links to the different factors that may cause them and the different types of cancers that there are, the benign and the malignant tumours. If you have, don't forget to comment below, let me know what you've learnt, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.